Hey y'all, it's Lindsey, back with another episode of Weekly Whimsy. I've got a lot to dive into in the world of crypto and blockchain, so if you're ready, let's jump right into things. Over on Discord, our community has hit 3,809 members. It's the perfect spot for tech lovers to exchange insights and enhance their crypto knowledge. Over on social media, we recently highlighted our vector storage feature. Devs use vector embeddings to conduct powerful similarity searches across different data types. These embeddings transform complex data like images or text into numerical vectors that machines can easily process, grouping similar items closely in multi-dimensional space. This week we are taking a look at Exodus. Exodus is a well-known non-custodial crypto wallet platform that continues to make Web3 more accessible by offering sleek, beginner-friendly tools for managing digital assets, NFTs, and interacting with dApps. It supports 300 plus cryptocurrencies and runs on desktop, mobile, and browser extension with built-in exchange features and staking options. Exodus has maintained a strong presence by focusing on usability and design, appealing to both crypto newcomers and seasoned users who want control over their assets without complexity of traditional Web3 wallets. For recent product releases, we recently introduced advanced pre-signed URLs. Initially, we enabled developers to let users upload content directly from the front end, enhancing speed and accommodating larger files. Building on this, our new pre-signed URLs now include options to specify file types and set maximum file sizes, giving developers much more control over the content being uploaded. This feature is crucial for apps that handle user-generated content, allowing for more tailored and secure user experiences. On the topic of pre-signed URLs, we actually have a new tutorial on how to upload to IPFS using pre-signed URLs. Many developers use React to build apps that include file uploads to IPFS, facing a dilemma with API key security since React operates client-side. To address this, we introduced a system for pre-signed URLs, which can be generated securely server-side, then passed to the client for use. This method ensures API keys remain secure, while still enabling large file uploads directly from users' browsers. In one of our latest tutorials, we'll walk you through setting up a server to generate these URLs and a client-side implementation using Vite and React, all neatly done in under 150 lines of code thanks to the Pinata SDK. Thank you for joining me for this week's episode of Weekly Whimsy. Don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons down below for more exciting insights from our team here at Pinata. Until next week, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye everyone!